Normally this would be pretty loud if all this rain was falling on it. Without the quieter, I wouldn't be able to sleep or think. So as you can see, it works very, very well. Some of the pigment has been washed out of the fibers, but the fibers are still there. So that's why it's mostly blue, but there's patches of kind of a orangish brown. But other than that, it's holding up pretty good. This is the, I think, second year that I've had it, and it's been working out great. So if you need something like this, get it. The end.